Okay, our younger viewers can come back in the room now. It was actually easier than I thought. Like I said, I've got a little different setup here. I've got a snorkel on here, so this box has to be put down very secure. You can see that there's one here, one here. I don't know if you can see that one right down there. And I'm just finishing up the last one right now, putting a couple of cranks on it. These have to be pretty tight because in theory, they do keep water out of your intake. That's why you got a snorkel. You know, I've never, I'm sure you've driven on Lakeshore Drive somewhere, but I don't drive on Lakeshore Drive. I drive on the shore of the lake, which is why I have a snorkel. Anyways, we're gonna just tidy this all up. We're done with this project. And this is a 2016 Wrangler, Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. And just taking care of the baby, doing all the official particulars, making sure everything's tight.